Want to know how to view your projects in Snyk? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your snyk.io website and make sure you are logged in as well, and you should be right here under this interface. Now, viewing your first project is super simple. So on the left side, you should be seeing this menu thing. You can just simply hover on it to extend it just like this. And now here by default, it should be on the dashboard. You can just simply right below dashboard, you can see projects, just like that. Now right here, you should also be seeing all of your project. Now, if you don't have any, you can just simply add it. So just simply select add projects right here and then add it using GitHub, CLI and much more that we have also created some videos upon, which differs on integrations. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.